you to walk around at the Fair Trade Market in Luang Prabang. The product from the villages like Marbury paper and painting. This is our grand ancestor of the country we call Punya Nya. Some past product from the pottery village.
นำใช้ได้เลยช่วงยัง50ได้แล้วเนาะเราจะเรียกคนนำใช้ตามนั้นนะครับจะรับได้ไปเลยส่งกี่ก่อนอันนี้
Amazing Luang Prabang. Today we have fair trade and everybody from the villages and people come from all around the world and they come from another provinces also, so they come to sell their products. Yeah, this is look like our second day starting of Lao New Year festival. So yesterday we have the procession of the elephants. Today is the fair trade market. Lao coffee Lao is the new taste of Laos. We have product our coffee from Bolaven Plateau in the southern part of Laos. Morning, how are you today?
Hi.
Where are you from?
France.
Vous parlez français comme ça. Bonne continuation et profitez la fête nouvelle en Laos avec nous. Oui, il va le faire. Il y a encore tout le soir. Dans l'après-midi, vous pouvez descendre par le Mekong et profiter, participer avec le stupa de sable sur l'île. Oui, sur l'île. On peut traverser le Mekong par le bateau, au bord du Mekong. Ça, c'est devant. Aujourd'hui, l'après-midi, ça il va faire pour construction le stupa de sable. C'est très intéressant pour vous. Et demain, il y a le procession de Miss Luang Prabang par ici, par ce temple. Jusqu'à le temple principal du pays, le temple Matiengkong. Et ça, c'est super intéressant pour vous. Et bonne santé et profitez de la fête. Bonne continuation et merci beaucoup.
Vous parlez très bien, hein? Très très bien.
Bonne chance. A lot of people just come to enjoy our New Year festival together with us. They come from many countries worldwide. It's amazing today. Even it's raining, people still enjoy visiting this market. That you can see that today they have a lot of local products like food, and also we have a lot of things like clothes product from the villages come to join us today. Let's have a walk continue. Lao cotton products from the villages. It's so beautiful. The atmosphere is exactly the start from this morning about 7:30 and they have opening ceremony and then when the rain just a little bit slow down and now it's a little bit dry out and after here we are going to the island on the bank of Mekong River that there are so many boats for you to cross Mekong River and go down there and enjoy atmosphere. The people are going to build up the sand stupa. This is we call khao lam. Khao lam is the sticky rice that cooked in bamboo. It's amazing. It's super delicious. The traditional food and dessert of Luang Prabang. Beside of the bird, people just sell this leaf. This leaf used for playing or the worship to the houses. And we just respect the spirit of the houses also even we are Buddhism. This cotton 100% of Lao cotton product of Laos. And Laos good.
Bên tổng người từ đáng đưa đi đến này. Bên đó có các
Bouquet of flower is very important that we use this bouquet flower to go to the temple and pray the Buddha like the worship and praying Buddha at the temple.